5 active cases of COVID-19 in Manipur so far, and there is no report of new cases in the state till now. Entry of stranded people continues. India records 4,987 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. Confirmed COVID-19 cases increased to 90,927. Social distancing norms goes for a toss in the state as people still fails to abide by the rules. One Chennai returnee quarantined at Akampa, the PAC Community Quarantine Center, rushes to Jennings for testing. Stringent measures being taken up in road transportation following 5 active cases of COVID-19 in Manipur. And today is the last day of the third phase of the nationwide lockdown to curb the spread of COVID-19. Fourth phase of lockdown are yet to be announced. Kurumjari, good evening. You are watching Sunday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. There are 5 active cases of COVID-19 in Manipur so far. Fortunately, there is no report of new cases in the state till now. There is continuous entry of stranded people who were arranged by the government as well as using private vehicles. Let's get more details from Impact News reporter Ketrimayum Premchand. Yes, over to you, Premchand.
Yeah, today also hundreds of stranded Manipuri coming to Manipur through Mao, Imphal Road. And on the other hand, Manipur reports 7 COVID-19 confirmed cases. And out of these 7 confirmed cases, 2 have successfully treated by RIMS and Jennings, and 5 active cases are there as of now, and currently there's no report of, also the report of all these 154 tests comes out negative. Yes, Victoria.
Yeah, regarding the COVID-19 patients, how is their treatments going on?
Yes, Victoria, out of those 5 active cases, Jennings is giving treatment to 3 COVID-19 patients, and another 2 is being treated at RIMS, and according to RIMS and Jennings, all the COVID-19 patients is stable as of now. Yes, Victoria.
Okay, thank you, Premchand. Yeah, meanwhile, confirmed COVID-19 case in India increased by over 4,987 in the last 24 hours. As per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, total active COVID-19 cases in the country have crossed 53,927. Altogether, 2,872 patients have died and 34,109 people have recovered so far. Maharashtra is on the top with 30,706 confirmed cases. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Manipur extended lockdown till May 31st. Globally, coronavirus has infected 47 lakh, is on the top with 15,07,700 confirmed cases. The social distancing norms went for a toss for symptom to spend a night at the footpath inside Jennings complex. They eventually phoned Health Minister Langpoglakpam Jayant Kumar at around 2 a.m. and apprised him of their situation. Later, the minister himself arrived and provided with warm clothes. Jennings sources, however, said that the screening center from Technopol informed that only 4 people will be arriving and it was impossible to arrange accommodation for them as they arrived at midnight.
asum ngai ra pung tara makhai tare ambulance lakani haiduna adu ambulance su more dagi lage pung 13 da yaure aduga akhoi hojik moi test tauge hairiba mi mari duga koi pulaga mi 13 je ambulance chillaba ambulance macha du koi 13 je namsalle sida social distancing haiba corona gi virus mask haptradi launagani haiba mayam sigi chairak sida koi bu namsallaga pubire sigi JNM da adu JNM yorokpa matungda pau karimata phauna da bida koi je pung ama makhai swaida yausalle adu koi leijafam leite changjafam leite test tawfam leite aduga sum tawduna koi je thokle ambulance tagi koi manung da dum leibase waraktana sabaga health minister on the koina phone tawe amaju phone paibire phone paire man hoi dudi fare koi ju pau phajena nganta ta dre duna kari koi su phadaba tawbigena haire aduga masamak su laaga madam duga moi ani laaga koi gi blanket khra pibirame aduga phak khra pibirame chana bakra aduga koi je manung da tumpham ju leitre isolation da ju koi wat kari mata phangdabina koi gi sigi lambi sida street sida koi na ngara nong an ba phau koi sida tume aduga ayuk sida koi na nong su tarak ba koi yam awaba nuai ta ba yam thengnare adu yaragadi government market dagi smaina tawri ba thodok se anirak suna tawbi ganu aduga technopol da puri ba medical team oigera aduga mari laina basing covid ki 19 ki control room oigera adu transportation do oiro aduga test do oiro sigum base awat pa mayam u base koi yam nuai jade koi je yam lap sangna lakoni aduga koi je awaba adum langaga smain lai base koi yam thwai yam pende.
Altogether, there are 20 inmates at Akampad PAC Community Quarantine Center, which is one of the quarantine centers of Thongju. One Chennai returnee, which is at the center since May 14, was rushed to Jennings Hospital today for necessary medical tests. A report in this regard.
Malayamda kinariba COVID-19 haina khangnariba laichat asi thengnanaba Manipur lengangna akanba section tharang lokhatna hariba aina hujik laijariba akampata leiriba akampat PIC Community Quarantine Center asida su hujik ngaki mamangda mairoi nupa macha ama masada lok khurakpa amasung manam khangba ngamdabagi adumlaba laiwongbu uthorakpadagi mahak masana Quarantine Center asida leiriba medical gi staff singda report piraba matungda ambulance na JNM staff pukhre adumapu mahaki laina laiwong du makha tan kari orekadage habjisu ngaminaba tari hariba quarantine center asida mioi kul laibani mioi kul adugi manungda tara humdoina nupani aduga tare na nupini nupi sing adugi manungda angang sahi tare tangariba nupi macha masu yauri hariba quarantine center asida ngasi ngaki mamangda pokhatkriba masang aluptagudi pokhatkriba nupa macha adu Chennai dagi train da tholaba matungda thasigi taramari dagi hariba quarantine center asida lairakpani hoju phawagi oina quarantine center asida lairiba staff sina yamna section na ngak senduna makhata na hariba center asidagi thoningdaba thodok amasung laina asigi chinthom ulakpa patient sing thorak tanaba yamna akanba checking thorangal loinana ngak senbagi thabak paikhatli ningsingba yabadi ngarang phawbada manipurda positive oiba coronavirus ki positive oiba mi gi masing asi manga laikhrabani active case ni hariba mioi manga asi loinana London dagi thorakpa mahiroi nupi masu positive oiduna phakibaga loinana Delhi gi Nijamuddin jawruba mioi basu positive oiduna ta layeng luba matungda pharaktuna hoji mayamda laikhrabani.
Road mischief occurred between a Maruti Alto car and a Mahindra Bolero amid the ongoing curfew at Keshampad Junction Traffic Island injured one person around 3 p.m. today. The injured is identified as 50-year-old Oinam Brojen from Babupara, Imphal West. Oinam Brojen, who was driving the Alto driver, injured his head and leg in the road mishap. Sources said that Brojen heading towards Airport Road in the car lost control and hit the Bolero which came from Mayailambi. The Bolero flipped on being hit by the Alto. Fortunately, the Bolero driver was not injured. The injured person was taken to Raj Medicity on a Red Cross ambulance after police personnel on duty and passerby provided him first aid. Police continue to crack down lockdown violators. It may be mentioned that all curfew powers are no longer valid. As a part of the security measures taken up by the government, a team led by Imphal West Police Station officer in charge, P. Atoba, detained lockdown violators along Imphal Tudum Road in Imphal West District today. It may also be mentioned that the rate of people without curfew powers on roads were also comparatively less. Police also detained 320 curfew and lockdown violators and seized 176 vehicles from various parts of Thoubal district today. Police booked 124 violators at Thoubal Police Station, 72 at Lilong Police Station, 55 at Yarikpok Police Station, 31 at Kongjom Police Station, 24 at Hayrok Police Station and 14 at Nongpok Sekmai Police Station. Police also issued fines of 26,700 rupees against the violators under the Motor Vehicles Act. "185 Manipuri nurses who served at various hospitals in Kolkata came back to Manipur was reportedly due to failure of the hospital authority to provide them with adequate materials required during their duty. Here is a conversation with one of the nurses with Impact News on the phone.
Positive khara serious subdivision ship subdivision ICU that minor tie khara masado khara serious khara over khara infections khara hidden mane that wahidu khatang yengaga mayamna caption da lana thabiraga adugi wahido Facebook negative way that mayam da sandokodo ngai news to give pura full story do mayam pasa hanini aduga hoji COVID-19 na maram oraga ni khuding Pipana Pangantane, Aduna Kayumba Sigi Matangsida Mayana negative way that Pivatara, the Limdaling of Mission Do Yana Pakatagani, Aduna Tokriba Mission to negative way Minantane.
One out of the 7 COVID-19 positive Manipuri nurses who is currently serving at Pentamed Hospital, Delhi, was rushed to an ICU room at Safdarjung Hospital, Delhi, as her health deteriorated today. According to Impact News sources, the nurse was tested COVID-19 positive on May 16 and has been kept at isolation ward of Pentamed Hospital since then. One nurse of Pentamed Hospital, Delhi, termed the viral clip of an incomplete news which circulated yesterday regarding 5 staffs of the hospital going back to their home as unfortunate. She appealed people not to repeat such act in future, which might cause misunderstanding among people in such pandemic situation. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan expressed the need to handle quarantine centers by high professionals only. He was speaking to media today during inspection visits to the quarantine centers and CMO Imphal East. He also handed over masks and sanitizers at CMO Imphal East. He said that he went on his first inspection as an MP to the quarantine centers under the instruction of the BJP back office in New Delhi, Eastern office in Guwahati, PMO office and health ministers to the local MPs to look into the situation of the quarantine centers. He said that the quarantine centers and the CMO offices in Manipur lacks in various fields and have very low staff strength. He said that he will urge the Chief Minister regarding the matter and he will extend all necessary help. R.K. Ranjan appreciates NGO Mission, a voluntary organization, for donating PPE to our state.
Staff si matiksa bagi amaga leire adu CM go unora kanda I phajana tung request tawjage on behalf of all ko aduga tawbudi quarantine center guys masi aikoina fashion dawna pangtok tawbudi ai masi kya pamjade sidi highly technical oiba highly health ki maramda professionally khangaba kangunu tawgadaba aduna waliba singse tasengna khogi kari haigani sanitization in and around aduga arena manungda tawgadaba award pa singsi honorable chief minister dai request tawjaraga masi kharthuna makeup tawbiu che haijegen khali.
People continue to extend help to Chief Minister's COVID-19 Relief Fund. All Manipur Judicial Employee Association donated 80,000 rupees. Commissioner of Excise donated one-day salary of 2,94,983 rupees, and Director MIS extended one-day salary of 11,490 rupees to Chief Minister's COVID-19 Relief Fund. Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren has expressed gratitude to all those who have contributed to the fund. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR test over 93,365 samples of coronavirus. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News.
Bisleri at your doorstep delivery service. Bisleri drinking water with 10-step quality process, ozonization for purity with contact-less production and packaging. For order-related queries, please contact 8787567518 or 690-9357-842. Terms and conditions apply.
WHO med Ministry of Health Government of India sa kang disinfectant ni sodium hypochlorite amadi singi solution nung tigi siya waiba poktak su lairi hospital med healthcare facility singa toy ni siya ba disinfectant ni sodium hypochlorite mipum kudma COVID-19 naging aktumal na bagita marangkay na siya si sodium hypochlorite. Contact our visit website at telephone number sida ako po warol gidamag.
UNACO School, Excellence in Education, Hongman Zone 3, Imphal East, Manipur. Provisional admission to Class 11 for the session 2020-21 has been started. Online classes will start from 1st of May 2020. Deciduous students or parents can contact school office from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. for enrollment. Please contact 70854-10354 or 8131070337 or 9436849647. You can also mail us at info.kongman@unaco.school.in or info.unacoschool@gmail.com.
Bisleri at your doorstep delivery service. Bisleri drinking water with 10-step quality process, ozonization for purity with contact-less production and packaging. For order-related queries, please contact 8787567518 or 690-9357-842. Terms and conditions apply.
Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News on Impact TV. Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR has said a total of 93,365 samples of coronavirus were tested in the last 24 hours. The total number of tests reached 22,27,642 in the country. Meanwhile, ICMR is continuously scaling up its testing facilities for COVID-19 by giving approval to government and private laboratories. As of now, 371 government laboratories and 151 private laboratory chains have been given approval to conduct the test for COVID-19. Health and Family Welfare Ministry said a total of 34,109 patients have been cured of coronavirus and the recovery rate has reached 37.51% in the country. During the last 24 hours, 3,956 patients have recovered and 4,957 fresh cases of COVID-19 have been reported, taking the total number of cases to 90,927. A total of 120 deaths have been registered in the last 24 hours, taking the nationwide toll to 2,872. Lockdown 4.0 will come to force on Monday, according to an announcement by the Ministry of Home Affairs. This phase of the nationwide lockdown will be in effect till May 31st and focuses on the gradual revival of economic activities while keeping in mind the rising number of novel coronavirus cases across the country. Sources had told India Today that a high-level meeting was held on Saturday to discuss Lockdown 4.0 with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Among the people who were part of this discussion were Home Minister Amit Shah and senior officials of the Ministry of Home Affairs. All states and union territories were asked to submit their recommendations and requests to the centre by Friday. Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba will meet Chief Secretaries, DGs of all states, union territories via video conference at 9 p.m. today to discuss Lockdown 4.0 guidelines. Civil society organizations of Senapati impose a 48 hours total district lockdown except those exempted services from 6 a.m. of 18th May till 6 a.m. of 20th May. The CSOs appeal the general public to remain at home and avoid violating the lockdown to ensure strict implementation and combat the spreading of COVID-19. Kumbi Municipal Council, Moirang Fire Service along with Kumbi Police Station sprayed sodium hypochlorite at Kumbi Bazaar Commercial Area, Kumbi Police Station and Kumbi Terakha Lai Sadong Bazaar today as a part of safety measures against COVID-19. Thoubal District Police arrested an individual in possession of 5 kg, 645 grams of opium from Yeripok, Lamlai at around 7:30 p.m. yesterday. The miscreant is 33-year-old Mohammad Muslam Inauba, alias Ningthau, son of Mohammad Iboyai from Shikong Kunau, Tonganbi. The team also impounded a Maruti Alto car bearing registration number MN01S5695 in which the drug was being ferried. The arrested person has been handed over to Thoubal Police Station for further interrogations. Bishnupur District Fertilizer Retailer Association held a meeting to make urea available for the farmers at the association's office today. Attendees took various resolutions such as to disclose the urea price allotted for government retailers, to make urea available to the farmers at the rate fixed by the government, to urge the government to give equal cooperation with the fertilizer dealers and retailers, etc. at the meet.
Sarkana retailersingda phanggadaba yuryagi maman khandiba aduga government na lepa mamanda lomisingda yurya phangani subada sarkana hapa retailersingda government na matam sangna yurya issue tawdana lagi lomisingna ya marang kaina phangnaba government na matam sana recognize oireba retailersingda yurya issue tawbiba maramdi lomisingda makta hom subada sarkana fertilizer dealersingda corporate tawbibagum retailersingda su corporate tawbiyu maramdi dealersingdi company ga deal tawbani retailersingna lomisingda deal amasung retailersingdi agriculture department na ayaba piraga lomisingda yap sarkar puning kitang chingsinjage.
MLA S. Rajan clarified that he has never used any inappropriate words during distribution of rice from Lamshang Nagar Panchayat Ward number 1 to 9. Speaking to media in a press meet held at the community hall of Tauthang today, S. Rajan said 2,270 quintal of rice was provided under Pradhan Mantri Garib Anna Yojana PMGKY for the month of May to Lamshang. He said 250.7 quintal of rice was produced by the MLA as the rice provided under PMGKY was insufficient to give 5 kgs of rice to 61,000 people of the constituency. MLA S. Rajan termed complaints of not getting rice by one woman from Lamding Kunau for Lamshang Nagar Panchayat Ward number 1 to 9 through media as unfortunate. He asserted that rice was distributed at the above-mentioned wards. MLA S. Rajan also filed an FIR at Lamshang Police Station for allegedly trying to defame him.
ngasigi yeliba chengsi bharat ki pradhan mantri na pirakpa PMGKAY gi makhada pirakpa cheng award paduna MLA na 250 quintal aingonda piba allocation se koina leiraga yenbani masidi napsa gi cheng duna te aduna isa yumdagi thopiro aduga koina resaram semjare semiba resar si matung da yenbadasu ekoi mungaina ba aidana semaga thamaba resar ni masleida noi maming isanbiramaga cheng do dum lobigo imungi mi choi tawbiramaga maming isanbiramaga mi mana puba Abudadi Mingdadi Saida Isalamu Haidana Hayaduga Aina Tankayama Labani Modina Tankayama Labani Pirakani Adonoi Loninga Loning Doto Haba Waise Queen of Politics Sai Kuntra and Toraba Koigi Wahidagi Madugumba Madungangam Bani Havase Masi Mayam Tazabigano.
Lamlai MLA KSH Biren has clarified that he never took political advantage during rice distribution under National Food Security Act (NAFSA). Speaking to media in a press meet held at his residence today, KSH Biren said the promise to provide rice for 3 months was given to people through agents funded by him for the month of May. He termed allegations by some individuals to defame him as unfortunate. He also said that a complaint was filed to police for legal actions against the wrongdoers.
Awana taraba praja singsi matamda kijitang orso mating oina ba mapang oina ba ina paisa oina puthok chhibani aduga national food security gi sigi distribution system da aina kut thingjanba aduga aina leirabani aduna praja da card pai da ba yengada bani haibi wafam ja ingonda gi hai ki ba amata leite aidi sumna dagi aina puthokri ba paisa se ma sigi senfam jina agent da paisa pidr cheng lobiu haibi wafam khaktamak haijikibani Hariba food security chengsi aina leisalaga aduga rajniti gi khudong chabalor sina gi bugi wafam je masi imham yaudaba yamna adugumba khoi ingonda tawiba charge amani haida masim tang sengdoksage.
Speaking to media, Lamlai MLA KSH Biren said 3,000 rupees were also transferred to each 275 stranded people of the constituency, acknowledging the plights facing them during COVID-19 lockdown. However, inconveniences are faced due to technical glitch while transferring money to other people. He asserted that rice provided under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana (PMJKY) for the constituency will not cover all the people. So 424.35 quintal of rice will be provided by him and distribution process will start tomorrow. MLA KSH Biren also said that altogether there are 31 inmates at Community Quarantine Center opened at Biramangol College, Saungbung.
Saurama mi chahum oigadra ina khalli adu ngasi bhawdedi mi chani ga humbudra mangas gi lupa lising ahum je lupa lakh nipan gi lising kun mangas se aigi account gi haribo senfam si loina mak chakre adra ngang sing paisa kitang yamba yamda kitang pang jeru se masigi da makta harawa nungai phongdor pa kai amsu thengnai adra sida natna hoje koi kendra gi oina community quarantine center se masida su ai sarkar na pirakpa scale madugi sabagi thapugi nomodu adu da thidna akoi leiriba mayam puno se yumda leibaga samana san thakna bosigi ai thorang tawna hona jai ngasi maksoi mahal da visit chasarui.
Member of BJP Manipur State Council K.H. Ibomcha strongly condemned the arrest of S. Mohindro and Y. Bilashani from Thamna Pokpi Mayai Laikai by Lamlai police today for speaking against Lamlai MLA KSH Biren regarding distribution of free rice under NAPSA. Speaking to media at his residence in Nongada, K.H. Ibomcha lambasted MLA KSH Biren for spreading false claims, stating that the free rice distributed under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana (PMJKY) in the wake of COVID-19 outbreak was actually distributed by him. He mentioned that NAPSA card holders from Thamna Pokpi have also protested against the MLA for distributing only 3 kg of rice each per person. He lamented that MLA KSH Biren have allegedly embezzled 40 lakh rupees out of the total of 50 lakh rupees sanctioned by the government for the welfare of the people in the wake of COVID-19 situation. He urged Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren to look into the matter at the earliest.
MLA se
afabani mana asoiba mayam ama tawrozo khoisu defend tawno bo honna bada khoi ngangham leitaba mai thamham leitaba asida khoina sagal leiruragadi akhoi BJP ne khoi mi na ngakpira roidaba poison namde leibadagi ai upai leitadana ai press ta thoraga mayam da sumaina naiba otpa du tawinu mangonda piri se lupa lak yang khai sure tang nipan da lak kun manga pibudu lak taram di mamangi prime minister lak kudu da prime minister na piri besieng du na cover to da ba beneficiary sing khar pibugi seng khar mana leigre adu da chawrang na lising lak tara gu mamsi nagre adu gi lak tara mangam lemi adu ga handak april gi tang kun manga da lak kun manga maga mon da pire 40 lakhs balance leire napsa gi lak pakan da su prime minister gi lak pakan da award pa khara mana leibiraga mifum khuding makta keji yang manga pibido adumaina napsagi lakpudusu pibiyo
to women in midst of items
to lakpasidadi minute manga ngayu tara ngayu haiba ya popot nati aduna masidi phongdokpadasu ichanupi singsina nungaitaba aduga awabadi adum leiba adugumba awaba singdo aisu isa mayamgi mama mo ina awabadu khetang koknana ba covid-19 gi pereside se da akhoi zen gi inmate sing de gi aina yel si free oina pirasi na masi akhoi gi amla gi president amadi amba gi president ga tanaraga lokhosabani.
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. 5 active cases of COVID-19 in Manipur so far, and there is no report of new cases in the state till now. Entry of stranded people continues. India records 4,987 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. Confirmed COVID-19 cases increased to 90,927. Social distancing norms goes for a toss in the state as people still fail to abide by the rules. One Chennai returnee quarantined at Akampat PAC Community Quarantine Center rushes to Jennings for testing. Stringent measures being taken up in road transportation following 5 active cases of COVID-19 in Manipur. And third phase of the nationwide lockdown to curb the spread of COVID-19 ends. Fourth phase of lockdown starts on May 18 till May 31st. That's all we have for today. Thanks for being with us. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri News. For more news updates, you can also follow Impact TV on Facebook,